Hello YouTube, hi, this is Andrew Bartlett, and I'm showing you a quick video on Python. And we're going to go into the if, and, or statements using the user's input for that. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, so I have a Python file already saved. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with making some variables, some quick variables. We're going to use for our if statement. Okay, so let's write name. And these are going to be characters. I mean, you can do this with Boolean variables or variables pretty much, like number variables. But I'm going to try this with characters, which I'm trying to do for a bit. Okay, so input, just like the last video. And because we're going to do two statements, so I'm going to try to run this by real quick here. So let's say day. So that's how your day is going, and you name it. Well, let's just do how it's your day going. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do if, let's see, your name equals, so when I do this, it means equals, so it's not just referring to this, okay? So equals, I'll put my name in here, Andrew. Okay. All right, so here's how we go into and. So and, okay, Andrew, and your day equals great. Okay. Print. And I always kind of like using the variable instead. Either, I mean, I could put Andrew in there, my name, but all right. So print name. Okay. And glad. Is there a, yeah, there we go. So, and it's gonna look weird, but day. Alright, there we go. And let's see here. And so let's just go into else. Okay. I'm gonna do it else if. L. Okay. Now watch this. So else if name equals Andrew, or day equals let's say terrible. Not bad, but okay. So now print, same thing. Actually, let's do it this way. So you could do that. There we go. That's gonna be interesting. Okay. Name, print name. Okay. Is a, let's see here. Okay. And else, then I'm just do print. Okay, so it's kind of long little bit on here. I hope this kind of works this way. So basically what we're doing is, so if name equals Andrew and the day equals great, so it's going to only be those two together, then it's going to print this out. Else if, or else, you do Andrew or great, and it'll print this out. Regardless, I could put great and Bob, or I can put Andrew and bad. So if none of it meets the criteria, then it's going to just write this out. Okay, so let's see if it works. Should, hopefully. Yes, awesome. Okay, so let's go for the and statement. And great. Okay, there we go. All right, and print. Fine, let's do this again. So let's go for the or statement. So let's do Bob, like I said, Bob. And great. Okay, so that's the or statement. So interesting, you're having that kind of a day. Okay, and let's go for completely off. Okay, Bob and super. There we go. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Seems like you're having a super day. All right, so there you go. That's pretty much the, so what I covered over today, I covered over the or, the and, the if, else if, and the else. So now notice when I did the else, I didn't put this or any, I just put the statement. So when it's pretty much an else statement, it's whatever's else. You don't have to put a condition on it or anything. All right. Well, hope this helped any bit, and have a great day. Hello YouTube, thank you so very much for watching the video, and yes, it was a lot shorter one. I'm trying to work on that. Anyways, please put your comments below. Let me know what you would like me to do next time, or to show, any input you might have. And don't forget to subscribe to the video, and see you next time. Have a great day, and best wishes.